The all-new 2026 GMC yanb van arrives as a true game-changer in the full-size van segment, blending bold exterior styling with innovative technology and advanced performance features that set a new benchmark for the industry. Today on the Auto Expert Channel, we take an in-depth look at what makes this vehicle a standout option for families, businesses, and enthusiasts alike. The design of the 2026 GMC yanb van is immediately striking. Smooth aerodynamic lines merge with a robust yet refined body structure that not only captures attention but also optimizes fuel efficiency and handling. The front fascia boasts a modern grille design complemented by sleek LED headlamps, offering both a commanding road presence and improved visibility in challenging driving conditions. Under the hood, GMC has engineered a range of powertrains that deliver an optimal balance between power and efficiency. The entry-level engine option provides ample torque ideal for everyday use, while higher trims feature turbocharged variants that boost performance without compromising on fuel economy. The integration of state-of-the-art suspension systems and refined drivetrains means that the van not only accelerates with confidence, but also maintains superb stability during cornering and on rougher terrains. Inside the cabin, the 2026 GMC yanb van reflects GMC's commitment to exceptional comfort and connectivity. Premium materials, versatile seating configurations, and a spacious interior ensure that whether you're transporting passengers or cargo, every journey is met with luxury and practicality. The redesigned dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution infotainment display that seamlessly integrates voice-controlled navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Safety is paramount in the latest offering from GMC, and the yanb van is equipped with an array of next-generation features such as automated emergency braking, lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and an intelligent collision mitigation system that continuously monitors the environment to proactively address potential hazards. The inclusion of a digital instrument cluster and head-up display ensures that drivers have immediate access to vital information without being distracted from the road ahead. Advanced connectivity features also include over-the-air updates, meaning your vehicle's software can be kept current with the latest enhancements and security protocols. The 2026 GMC yanb van is designed not only to cater to traditional van users, but also to appeal to tech-savvy individuals seeking a blend of rugged capability and modern conveniences. Its versatile cargo configurations, combined with an abundance of USB ports, wireless charging options, and a reconfigurable rear storage system, make it exceptionally adaptable for both commercial applications and personal adventures. With improved aerodynamics, enhanced powertrain options, and a comprehensive suite of smart features, this van represents a forward-thinking approach in a rapidly evolving market. As production ramps up and pre-orders continue to surge, the anticipation for the 2026 GMC yanb van has reached record heights. Every detail, from its intuitive user interface to its meticulously crafted interior, underscores GMC's drive to innovate and excel, promising owners a vehicle that is as practical as it is inspiring. This is the future of mobility, delivered today by the Auto Expert, where passion for performance meets cutting-edge design in the all-new 2026 GMC yanb van.